Hi there. So in this video we are going to take a look at packages in R. So we're going to see both RGUI and RStudio's way of handling the packages in R. So when you open your RGUI, you will find this R console, and at the top menu you will find packages menu. Here you have options such as load package, set Cran mirror, select repositories, install package, update package, and install package from local file. So let's take a look at these options. In first option, load package, we will check which package to load for our current script. For example, you can choose graphics or you can choose dataset and click on OK. Then it will have that package loaded for your console session. When you click on packages, set Cran mirror, you will get one dialog box that displays list of mirror sites from which you can download the package. Depending on your geographical location, you can choose the mirror that is close to you so that downloading the packages becomes a lot more easier. Next option is select repositories. You can choose the repository. Official Cran will be selected. Also Cran Extra will be selected by default when you install your R from Cran. Okay, you can choose additional repositories to add them within your mirror. Okay, and when you select those, click on OK. Now one more option is install packages. So when you call for install packages, it asks you to choose the mirror. So I'm going to go with default HTTPS, and the next dialog it should open is for our packages. So it will present us this big list of packages from that list, and we have to choose that package and click on OK. Then it starts downloading that package, and then it runs that package for your current console session, and you'll be able to use that package in your future console sessions as well. Next is going to packages and then updating package. Okay, now here you see list of packages that you need to update for your current RGUI version. And finally, the options of installing package from local file. So if you have downloaded any package into your desktop, you just have to point to that file and click on open. That zip file will be then open, and that package will be installed in your R session. This was for RGUI. Now in case of RStudio, you have to go to tools, and then you have options for packages right here. So you need to go to RStudio, then tools menu, then click on install packages, and here you get to choose your repository. Default is Cran, and then you also have option for package archive. When you choose package archive, you get to choose the file from desktop or your network drive, and then you can point that and you install it within your library folder. After selecting all those settings, you can click on install so that package will be installed. If you choose default Cran repository, then all you have to do is mention the package name, such as, let's say I want to have dplyr package. I just type in the name and then click on install. That will install within RStudio, and you can also use it within your RGUI as well, because the library will be installed for R version on your system. One more thing is checking for package updates. In RStudio, you have list of packages displayed here which you can update, just like you found out with RGUI. Next thing is version control, which you can skip. Then there is shell add-ins, and few other options. But for packages, this install packages and package updates, these two options are for package management within RStudio. You can also configure repositories and set the mirrors here. Okay, so it shows the list of repositories from the link, and those will be displayed here. Okay, you get the options for choosing package repositories. Okay, so let's start with some of the command that we can use with packages. So first thing we will try is .libpaths. When we execute this command, it will show us where our R installation is on the machine. So in my case, it is D program files, R, then version of R, and then library. It shows that library path. Okay, next thing, we will get list of packages installed with the help of library command. And as you can see on the top editor options, you have list of packages by default installed with your RStudio. The same applies for RGUI as well. Okay, next is we search for packages using search method, and we get our options for package, then tools, then global environments, and few other methods and auto loads. So these are some of the options that we can check for with search command. Now if you want to install package from default Cran repository, then we simply use install.packages method, and inside here we just point out to the package that we want to install, and then by hitting enter it will start the installation. If you have installed this package in terms of zip file, then you have to mention that path. Let's say dplyr.zip. Then you have to set repos to null, and also you have to choose type as source, and you have to execute this line of code. This will install the package from your desktop or network drive where you have the zip file downloaded. And finally, one more command for loading that package is library, and then our package name. You can also add additional parameters such as lib.location, and you point to the path for that library. So let's say dplyr.zip. Doing that will load that package to our default library path, and you get to use that in your console session. So this is how you work with packages in R programming.